How to check copyright status of a YouTube video. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily check a copyright status on your YouTube video. So let's get started. First thing you do is open up youtube.com on your web browser and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, simply click on the profile icon and then from here head over to YouTube Studio. Once you open up your YouTube Studio, you'll land on your channel dashboard. So what you're going to do next is head over to your contents, and you'll be able to see all of your videos here. Now on your video list, in order to check copyright claims, or if there are any copyright status, you're going to have to head over to the copyright tab on the left side of your screen. And as you can see here, there's nothing to see. I haven't submitted any copyright takedown request. And if you're looking for a copyright claim somebody made on your video, you can check it on your video list. And as you can see here on the video list, there is no video that has been copyrighted. So what I'm going to do here is click on my content and head over to the video. So let's just remove this filter and then head over to the video. On the video, head over to copyright, and as you can see here, the channel isn't affected, and there are no visibility restrictions as well. So these are quite a few ways that you can check. So you can filter out and select copyright, and there are no videos, but if there are, you can appeal to them and then get your video removed from the copyright strike. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.